Good morning, dear students. So, again, I come with a new video on gymnosperms. In the last video, I discussed about pteridophytes. So, here, today I am going to discuss a general characters of a gymnosperm in brief. So, gymnosperm are evolved than a pteridophytes here, and these are also called naked seeded plants, right? The term gymnosperm, gymno nothing but a naked and sperma seed, was introduced by a Theophatus in 1300 BC to describe plants with a unprotected seeds. That's why gymnosperm are called as a naked seeded plants, because those are not covered with any fruit or a seed coat here. The seeds are naked here. And according to Geobal, gymnosperm are a spermatophyte. Sperma nothing but seed, phyton nothing but a plant or a seed plants, because these are not produced by spores. These are produced by seeds. That's why these are called as a spermatophyta. Gymnosperms are the vascular plants where seeds are not enclosed within ovary. So here seeds are direct present here. They are not enclosed within a ovary here. And these are a vascular plants. The vascular system is well developed here. So in these plants, the ovules are born naked on the surface of a megasporophylls, nothing but a female reproductive organ, which are often arranged in the cones. Here the megasporophylls are arranged in the cones, and here the ovule is present naked. We can see through our naked eye in some examples here. In cycas, the ovule is large in size. Gymnosperms were dominant plants over the earth surface during Jurassic and a Cretaceous period of a Mesozoic era. In the Mesozoic era, in Jurassic period, the gymnosperm were present and they are dominant. At present, about 83 genera and approximately 790 species of living gymnosperm are distributed throughout the temperate, tropical and arctic regions of the world. So here now at a present 790 species of living gymnosperm we are going to see here now also. And here now comes general characters. What are the main important characters of a gymnosperms? So gymnosperm are predominantly woody plants represented by trees, shrubs or rarely climbers. Almost they are shrubs and tree, but rare they are climbers, and they are woody plants. They are usually xerophytic. Some of them are deciduous while others are evergreen. Some are present in a deciduous region, but almost all are present in evergreen region, and they are xerophytic. Next is sequoia, that is nothing but a largest tallest living tree reaching a height nearly 112 meter and attaining a growth of 15 meter. Right, it is the tallest tree of a gymnosperm, sequoia. Right, it is also called California or a coast redwood. So smallest gymnosperm is Zamia. It is a 25 centimeter tall, only 25 centimeter it is. Plant body is sporophytic and can be differentiated into root, stem and leaves. So sporophytic plant body nothing but which is differentiated into root, stem, leaves. But thallophytic or a thallus structure nothing but it is not differentiated there, right? So next, generally the plant possess well developed taproot system. You know type of roots. One is a taproot and one is adventitious root. So taproot, here gymnosperm possess taproot system. In some gymnosperm the roots are symbiotic relationships. Symbiotic relationship nothing but associated with a fungal or a algal zone. They help in the nitrogen fixation also. So here for example in cycas you find a special type of roots called coralloid roots, where you find a algal zone in the cortical region of a coralloid root, and in a roots of a mycorrhizal root of a pinus with a fungal zone. Here in the pinus root you find a fungi over there. So stem is erect, woody and a branched. I already told you gymnosperm are woody plants. So here stem is erect and a woody and it is branched. But here in cycas it is unbranched and tuberous in zamia. In zamia it is tuberous. In cycas it is unbranched, and cycas similarly looks like your coconut tree only little bit. So presence of leaf scars on the stem is the characteristics features of a gymnosperm. So here in gymnosperm you find a leaf scars, nothing but in a nodal region. So I will show you later a picture of that. The arrangement of leaves on the stem may be spirally or a cyclic manner. You know cyclic manner. So the leaves are arranged on the stem in the cyclic manner. They may be of a one kind, monomorphic, or a two kind, dimorphic. So in a two kind you find a foliage leaves and a scaly leaves. There are two types of leaves are present on the side. In some gymnosperms they may be scaly leaves or a foliage leaves. Foliage leaves are green, simple and may be small, like a microphyllus in pinus, right, or a large megaphylus, nothing but example in cycas. So foliage leaves are a green, simple, may be small or a large. In cycas it is large, in pinus it is small, right. So there may function in photosynthesis. Foliage leaves may function in a photosynthesis, but scaly leaves are present around the reproductive structure and apex. Scaly leaves are present at the apex region, or it may present on the reproductive organ, near the reproductive organ, and they are mainly protective in nature. They are very small and they are only meant for a protective purpose. They are not help for the photosynthesis process. So here you can see the tallest gymnosperm and smallest gymnosperm. Largest is a sequoia and smallest is zamia here. In this picture you can see both. And here you can see leaf scars here on the nodal region. A special structure is present in the gymnosperm, that's nothing but a leaf scar. And in another picture you can see here small scaly leaves are there and a large green color foliage leaves also present here, right. Foliage leaves which help for the photosynthesis process, and in pinus they are a small, and in a cycas they are in a large structure, and here small scaly leaves are meant for protection and they are present at the apex or on the reproductive organ, near the reproductive organ. These are the basic characteristics of the gymnosperm. In the next class I am going to discuss with the internal structure, internal characteristics of the gymnosperm and a reproduction structure of the gymnosperm, right. So I think you all understood the basic general characteristics of the gymnosperm. Thank you.